fidget trading. Look at that girl. Look at that girl over there. She has way more fidgets than I do. I have 3 fidgets. I have this Corona Poppet I bought yesterday, this Shark Poppet, and this Unicorn Dimple. I'm going to try scamming her so I can get more fidgets. What should I scam her with? Not my Shark, not my Corona. I think I'll scam her with my Unicorn Dimple. I'm so over it. Trading away Unicorn Dimple, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Does anyone want to offer? Oh my gosh, me. Okay, we'll offer. Oh, I will offer. Let's see what I have here. I will offer in my Star Poppet. This is rare. Is that enough? Can you accept, please? Sorry, as I said, this is really rare. So you're going to add lots of things. This is rare. Okay, fine. I'll add this Popsicle Poppet. What is happening? Whoa! Wait, the girl is gone. Welcome to Fidget Island. No, not Fidget Island. Oh, I guess I'll be giving away one of my fidgets. Where's the fidget pad anyway? I'm gonna take all my fidgets I have. I know something. This is all the fidgets I have right now, so I better get something rare for all of these. Oh, there, I finally found it. Let me put down my unicorn. Let me put down my Corona Poppet. It's gone. Where did it go? Oh my god, look what I got. That's a Popsicle Poppet. A girl was trading me a minute ago. I got more fidgets. I really miss my Corona Poppet, so I'm going to put in, I'm going to see if anything pops up for a Shopkin. I have to go find a Shopkin anyway. Oh, there's a bottle right there. I think I'll do it for that. This little bottle. I don't even know why it's here. Probably I'll get my Corona Poppet back for this. Let me put it down on here. Oh my gosh, it's gone. Where's the fidget? I've been waiting for 10 minutes. It's not even a fidget. Ugh. Let me put this down on the fidget pad. I don't even like this. Where did it go? My brand new Corona Poppet. It's back. Yay. I love this a lot. I just bought this today, you guys. No, I mean yesterday when Sebastian was sleeping over. Okay, let me see here. What can I give away now? What's something I don't play with? Let me see if something... I have to go find something. Abin? No. Wait, I found another Grinch monster. Let me put on the fidget pad. Oh my gosh, it disappeared. A massive unicorn poppet? Oh my gosh, a massive unicorn. This is a quiet side, you guys. This is so cool. It's such a good texture. This is so cool.
Yeah, you have to put that in because of
Okay, let me take this out. Let's see what else I'll get for Corona Poppet. Oh wait, I put it on the wrong side. I got 2 fidgets and another Corona Poppet. This is so cool. Bye, like and subscribe for part 2.